Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. I want to have a quick look at this mortise lock here, which is an Austral short back mortise lock 421. Now there are a couple of parts we sell for this. First of all, let's look at the handles. If you have a handle like this and it's lost its spring, we actually sell the springs for that, and that would be this spring right here. So this spring here, and this is what it looks like installed. So quite easy to replace that. What you do is you simply just put that spring in there. There's two posts, so whichever side you're on, pull it down like so, and it's now got a fitted spring. Just sprung straight back at me. So I'm going to put the bottom arm with the leg facing up. So I'll put that one in first, and now the top arm with the hook going this way, I'm going to put that underneath this part here. Okay, just clip it on the right spot. So once that's in, then it should be okay to put back on the door. It's gone in below it. Let's try that again. Let's bring that spring out just a little bit. There we go. Okay, now it's hooked onto the handle.